Hey Diva Dolls, this is CRYSTALCHANEL and I am back with a Fashion Nova try on haul video. So I know it's been a little minute since I brought y'all what you wanted. I know you dolls love Fashion Nova and you love getting discounts and you love seeing what it is that I picked up. So if you want to see this massive haul, stay tuned.
Can't stop, won't stop, get guap. 10 white toes and them toy flip-flops. Manicures and pedicures, I'm always tip-top. When they say I'm not hot, all these lies need to stop. Cause I'm icy, wifey, haters wanna fight me. Never been the one.
Okay dolls, so first we have this bodysuit. It's glowed up. I just love this bodysuit because of the message, and I also wanted something that was easy to throw on. So if I wanted to wear it with a skirt or some jeans, some shorts, whatever, I can just throw it on. Now this particular bathing suit, I believe I got an extra large, and I wish I sized down 1 or 2 because it's really stretchy. Now I want to show the side boob action, but you can't with this shirt unless it holds the girls up, unless you don't have to worry about that, but your girl do. So I like to get tops that are really stretchy like this, 1 or 2 sizes down, so that it holds my girls up when I put them there. But as you can see, they were all over the place in this top, and yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna fix it, but I'm gonna figure it out. So when I got this top, I was thinking to wear it with these pants with the cutout sides, and I absolutely adore these pants. I got these pants in an 1X. And at first I was like, oh my gosh, they're too small, because of how when I was putting them on, they weren't really fitting that well. But come to find out, the pants stretch a whole lot, y'all. So very forgiving, very stretchy. The 1X fits fine. In fact, it's actually really stretchy still in my waist. So I would definitely recommend these pants. They are serving sex appeal, they are comfortable, and also very flattering. And here we go with another bodysuit, killer. I really like this. I like it a lot. But again, I got it in an extra large and it's a little too big. So I'm over here trying to rock it, y'all. But listen, it's baggy, it's stretchy. You can wear a strapless bra with this because it doesn't really show you the side boob action. But it's the summertime. Nobody wants to wear all those undergarments, okay? So yeah, I wanted to pair this with my biker shorts. These biker shorts are thick, they are comfortable, they're somewhat stretchy, and they are not see-through. So I am definitely appreciating these biker shorts. Okay, so again, I'm really enjoying the whole sporty luxe feel. So I figured this little jacket is denim, it's cropped, it's light wash, and I absolutely adore it because of the little ruffle detail that it has. So really girly, but really chic. I got this in a size large. It doesn't stretch or anything, but I really appreciate the way it fits, and I think it is uber girly. And don't mind me, y'all, I was just getting down a little bit to my Beyonce. You know, I put on some Beyonce when I do your haul videos, girl. And as you can see, my baby girl hopped on video. I said, okay, Anissa, I see you, girl. You better twirl, honey. Yes. That was so cute. But as you can see, she wears a lot of my clothes like oversized or whatever. So right now I'm rocking this hot pink 2-piece set, which to be honest, I pulled it out and I was like, oh, this is so bright. But it's summertime, it's girly, it's cute, it's super comfortable, so stretchy, thick material, not see-through, and I would strongly recommend it. I'll put the size to everything down below. Now I had this bathing suit on. This bathing suit doesn't even seem like a bathing suit, y'all. It's really cute, and I love the draper that it has with it, like the duster, but it's really thin. So I'm not exactly sure how it is a bathing suit. I couldn't even imagine being in the water with this. This is another bathing suit that I picked up, and this one is bathing suit material. Both of them I strongly recommend. I got them, and again, I'll put the sizes down below, but I'm in love with this color. I feel luxurious with this color. This bathing suit is so flattering. The other one is too, but I don't know. It's just something about this particular bathing suit that I love. Now this right here is a cover-up. I actually seen a girl wear this cover-up with a dress in the club recently, and to be honest, I would do the same thing. I think it's a really pretty material. It looks expensive. I would never guess it's from Fashion Nova. It's stretchy, it's comfortable, and y'all, it basically makes you feel regal and just like the shit. Like, look at me. That is so funny. But I strongly recommend it. And the plus size bathing suits really are plus size. They really will hold you in and flatter you and basically fit your body on all your curves. Now next, we have a one piece. These have been all the rage, y'all, and I understand why now, because it is an easy outfit. It will snatch your body, having you looking real nice, and it's mad comfortable. Like, I want this outfit in every single color. Like, I love how it goes all the way down to my ankles. So I'm only 5'6½", but sometimes the outfits don't reach my ankles, so I appreciate that. I appreciate that this isn't too see-through. It's somewhat see-through, but if you wear black underwear with it, you'll be fine. I love the cutout in the back because sometimes these cat suits can be a little warm, but this is really sexy and it's also athletic. And if you were doing a yoga class or you wanted to do some running around, that would be perfect for it. Okay, dolls, so I always try to pick up a dress because sometimes, you know, we got to go out, we got to stunt or whatever, and I just wanted to try something new. So this has my entire back out. I'm like, fuck it, y'all. Yes, I have back rolls. Yes, I'm curvy. Yes, I'm plus size. So what? Like, who is going to check me? So I got this dress. I think it's sexy. It reminded me of like a Versace type print. The color is pretty, it's bright. I'm not a big fan of how it fits in the top, but then again, it could just be my chest. I like the dress overall. I'm definitely gonna rock it, and I think it's super comfortable, and I would recommend it. Now, if you've seen my previous hauls, if you are a true diva doll and you've been on this channel for a while, you've seen this dress before. I love this dress. I loved it so much I had to get it in a white. This dress was in my back to school haul, so if you haven't checked out that Fashion Nova haul, be sure that you do. But I like this dress because it's sexy, it's comfortable, it's flattering, it has the ruching in the front. I don't know if you can really tell that on camera, but it's one of my faves, and it's perfect for summer, spring season, for the white parties that are happening. So if you want to get a dress that is flattering and body conscious, pick this one up. And last for this haul is this dress. I've seen it on Kylie Jenner and I was like, oh, that's cute. I love the oatmeal color, and I had a dress like this similar to this that was all black. This one is like an oatmeal color, and it's basically a mini dress that has long sleeves. It is a little warm though, I gotta tell you. Like, it has a lining, which is great, so it's not see-through, but it is a little warm. I've actually worn this out recently. If you follow my Instagram, you would have saw that picture already. So again, I recommend it. I love Fashion Nova's clothes. I got this, I believe, in an extra large, and it fits pretty comfortable. Okay, dolls, so again, that is it. That is my Fashion Nova haul. I know it's been a while since I brought you the heat, so I hope you dolls enjoyed this video. If you did, leave me a comment down below which outfit was your favorite. Give me a thumbs up. Be sure to share this video with your friends, and of course, girl, are you subscribed to this channel? Be sure that you hit subscribe if you are not. Also, check out my vlog channel as well as my fitness channel. So y'all, again, I love Fashion Nova. It does not matter if you are big or small, tall or short, petite or plus size. Like, it does not matter, y'all. They will hold you down. Again, I'll put the details all down below, but you're gonna find my size that I got everything in, as well as the direct link, and of course my coupon code, which is CRYSTALCHANEL. Now dolls, sometimes, just sometimes, I be slaying on Instagram and Snapchat. So be sure that you follow me, and my name is @CRISSY the doll. Now again, if you all have questions about the fit or anything, go ahead and leave me the comments down below. Like, I really do be looking at my comments. I really do be responding. So please, if you have a question about anything that I didn't really have a good chance to explain in the video, go ahead and ask me. And that's really it. If you guys have any questions about my hair, I know I'm gonna get this question, so I'm gonna go ahead and let you know right now. I am working on a video, so stay tuned for that. Of course, turn on your post notifications. That way you guys know when I upload a new video, and you will be a part of my notification gang. But that's really it. I can't really think about anything else. I'm just like over here, just like living life, like over here, like, you know, glowed up. But that's really it, dolls. So again, I love making these videos for you. I am at 70,000 subscribers or so, like 73,000, I don't know. But y'all, I am on the road to 100,000, okay? So again, if you love this video, share it with your homie, share it with your best friend, whatever. I really appreciate you, dolls. I love doing this, and I can't think of anything else to say. So I hope y'all have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. And as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.
RP up on a whitey, keep my hands clean, got some hitters moving shicey. Ask me if I'm rolling with some Gucci, bitch, I might be. It's very unlikely, my wrist ain't looking icy. Charging by the minute, cause my time is very pricey. Yeah, I be where the bosses be, judging from